Okay, I started plotting the charts at around 8:30. Um, for my trading view, I've only just begun with Thinkorswim. So let's start with ES. Let's see. So we're getting a pullback, and according to Adam Mancini's tweet, 4095 is an area that the bulls must hold. I have a 1 hour from before at 4090, but I will adjust it. Nope, I'm gonna leave it the way it is. 40. So his supports are 4110. Um, I have something here at 4116, and 4110 is here. So I'm just going to, you know what? I'm just going to. It's gonna be a very large rectangle, but let's just do it here. Although I have a suspicion that it's gonna fall below it. Oh my god, hold on. Sorry, I need to move this, adjust this. I have a suspicion we're gonna drop below here. This is a level that might react. I don't know, but we'll see. This is a trend line from way back. Although we haven't had much reaction to this trend line before, at least not in the daily, I can't say. Well, yeah, well, we had a rejection here. So I don't know if this needs to be adjusted. Looking at the 4 hour really quick. This one though, this is why I think we might retest this line. But we tested it one, two, three, 4 times already. This fifth test might break, but the fifth test would be around 4095. What else? Yeah, I think that's it for ES. For the SPY, ugh, no, I can't do this one. Let's do this one. Wow, it looks terrible still. I don't know why. Why is the volume so prominent here? I just don't understand. Anyways, I forget what significance this line is. I gotta try to remember. And these are all just messes. These dashes are from minor support resistance. Remove. So I have no idea what would be complement to 4095 here. I'm gonna assume. Hold on 1 second. I have to turn off my crappy AC. 4095 should be 407. Yeah, so it might be here. This weekly expected move, or a little bit higher. Okay, let's see if we can find a daily support of any kind. Oh yes, this. I don't know why I made it a dash line. Although I don't know about this one because I'm using Wix. But, oh wait, I have another daily here. Or was that the one I put on before? Which one is this one? I don't know. It seems like a cluster of support in that area. Okay. 4 hour. I'll take these off later. Again, I think we may pull back to this weekly expected move that I had from before. 1 hour. Do I have something here? It's possible. 408. All right. Man, I'm so hungry. Hour. All right. And get rid of these for now. This one I'll keep. Okay. All right. And the trading view I already did. I'll pull this over. 15-minute here. This level was way left on the chart, and I had to drag it over. And I wish I had done it before, because it's confluent to the bounce that we had on Friday and that rally that I missed out on, and of course the subsequent head and shoulders that formed for that drop. But clearly we are opening below this level, so I would assume for any rally to occur, we're going to need to get above this level. I think Adam Mancini says that we need to regain 4128. And I have here 4124 or 4125. There's our support 41110, and the final support again. Well, 4095 is within this cluster, a support cluster that I found from before, but I can't help but think I need to maybe move this line up, and then this would be confluent. I don't want to push it too far up though, but to me this, I don't know. I don't know why 4075 isn't the final point, but I guess that's because the rally occurred on Wednesday here. So if we lose this, we'll lose the rally, but I don't know. It seems to me that 4095 and 4075 should also be, or 4075 should also be support, but Adam Mancini is rarely ever wrong, and his charts quite often don't look like mine, and it's frustrating. So yeah, we'll just leave it like this. And I have this on my iPad now, although generally, as usual, it doesn't look the same on my iPad as it does I'll keep that at the 5-minute. Yeah, it doesn't look the same as it does on my desktop. And of course the iPad is just not shaped like this. So again, I wish I had another screen. All right, so let's put this aside for now. And okay, I don't really have a plan. I mean, if we test 4095 and it looks like we're bouncing, then I should take that long, obviously. Of course, if Adam Mancini was doing it, he would wait for the bounce at 4095 and for 4110 to be reclaimed, or he would take it if we flush below 4095 and then quickly recover for a false breakout, or breakdown, I should say. If that's one of the things he likes to do, that quick recovery. So I guess we'll do that. We'll look for a quick fake breakdown and recovery at 4095 or 4110. We're just above 4110 right now, so we are technically at support. So if we stay here, it's possible when the bell rings, it could rally right there. Or I could apply MK strategy and wait for an hour for a major support, um, a major supply and demand to form, and then trade after that. And I've been trading quite often early in the morning and getting burned, or trading in the morning and exiting early and not making the potential profits I could have made. I haven't. I almost never wait until later in the day to trade, and I sometimes find that later in the day, you there are better opportunities, clearer opportunities to trade. Hold on, I just saw something here. Let me. I wonder if I can maximize this one. Yeah, it looks ugly, but hold on. I'm seeing something on the 15, 515. This. Look how clean this level is, and it tested here. I'm starting to wonder if I should adjust this weekly expected move. I'm assuming I put this there because it was a weekly level, but I don't remember. Yeah, it's perfectly even, but I wonder if I should adjust it. No, but the adjustment that I thought would be made is that it goes down a little bit more. No, it's fine where it is. Never mind. I'm not gonna mess with that. Anyways, so yeah, um, if it looks like we're going to start rallying at this Adam Mancini support, then I guess I should take that long. Oh, let me fix this. I certainly can't afford to get that many options. I'm still blown away. I'm still so saddened at the fact that last week I had $100 more than what I did in my account now. And last week was a week of just absolute rallying. Last week was a great week to make money, but somehow I ended up losing $100. Oh man. Anyways, I need to stop letting this get to me and focus on the process. So, again, the plan is I'm going to wait and see what kind of reaction we have at supports at 4110 and 4095, and I still think 4075 is a support, but maybe I'm wrong. I'll need to double check Adam Mancini's newsletter, which I don't want to pull up while I'm recording because that's a service that you pay for, and I don't want to be disrespectful. When I give out his levels here, it's what he puts on his Twitter, and it's free to anyone to access. So, and since I mainly show SPY here, I'm trying to derive these SPY levels from his levels on the S&P, and they're more than likely not accurate. So, yeah, I still think that on ES, that line I showed on Thinkorswim, it shows confluent. I'll pull it back over again. Okay, I'll try that again. Alright, I hate computers so much. It won't let me drag to this screen. For some reason, it would just slant to the side of the other screen and not go over to this screen. This line right here is what I'm referring to. This is confluent somewhat to 4095. So if we have a breakdown here and a flush, or a breakdown to here and a flush, a false breakdown on a rally, then we'll see. But for all I know, the bell could ring and we could just start rallying from here. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know why this thing keeps changing the size of the window when I move it from one screen to another. Alright, there's something else I'm missing, and I don't remember some other key point I'm supposed to mention. I wonder if there's any big meetings going on this week. I wonder when the next CPI is going to be released. Jobless claims. Michigan consumer sentiment. I don't know why this is in red. Is this important? Core inflation rate year over year. it's not CPI. It's not It's not core consumer price index. I mean, this could be next week is going to be choppy. How come? Oh, yeah, I forget. PPI sometimes is released before CPI. PPI, and then that means next week should be CPI. Ooh, FOMC minutes. Anyways, there it is. Core PC. Oh my god, whatever. All right. I guess I'll return at 9:30, but I'm gonna have to try and convince myself not to trade when the market opens. But if it opens and it starts rallying, I don't know.